What up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back in with another video, you know what I'm saying? This time, as you guys read the title, this is a video to teach you guys how to change your radiator fans on a 2002 Infiniti I30/I35, same thing, and the Nissan Maxima around the same year. All there is the two bolts at the top that are holding, and then they slide into like the little brackets at the bottom. And then you just disconnect the harness clips from it. I already started, guys, sorry. But you just disconnect the harnesses, boom, because plug and play, because Nissan makes life easier. And basically, just probably take this off, take this radiator, this top radiator hose off, and the freaking reservoir little hose right here, boom. Slide it out the boom, put it out of the way. And take this one off and basically finesse it to like wiggle it or whatever. Either two tins and it slides right up. If your car is overheating like at idle, but then we start driving and it cools back down, then it's your fan. This is the video for you, because honestly I thought it was mine too. But when I checked them, they were on, so I was like, oh, they're fine. So I waited another couple weeks or whatever and did it again and noticed that they're really low. So then I was like, oh, it's the freaking fans again, you know? So, and another thing I want to note is basically when you're replacing these fans, go OEM like a Dorman brand or like Diller if you want. I bought these fans from, they literally went out like literally a year later, you know. Last year around like January, February, I was doing the same thing. So go OEM the first time and just forget about it in general. Yeah, so basically when they're like spinning like really slow then and they're not kicking up to a higher speed, like say if you kick on AC, like kicking to a higher speed or like kicking to a higher speed as it's overheating, then it's clear as the fan. Something's not telling it to turn on. Don't make a mess like I just did. Okay, so basically, as you guys just seen, I just freaking made a mess because I forgot that this is the freaking one that makes the mess, because it has all the radiator coolant in there. Luckily, I have some extra, so I have extra radiator coolant. But see how easy that was, and then they slide from in there, boom, boom. They slide in from here, boom, boom, at the bottom, and just two bolts and two connectors, and done. It's pretty easy. It's just gonna make a mess with coolant. So be prepared for all that. So further ado, let's freaking put it back, put these ones in there and call it a day and be done with the overheating issue. Yes. Okay, here's a comparison. Those are the ones that came out of the car, right? Let me give you guys a lighter. Those are the ones that came out of the car. These are the ones I'm putting in the car. Like these are the Dorman ones that I was telling you guys about, that I freaking ordered off of Amazon for about 95 bucks shipped to my house. So basically, I'll put the link down below to how to get these. One thing I want to start off by saying is that this quality looks like way more sturdier than like this. Like this is like it weighs more, not as flimsy. And then the big thing I noticed is that these blades are actually like a more quality plastic, like versus these like all thick. These are actually like handcrafted or whatever, not handcrafted, but crafted to like precision. I don't know how to explain it, but it just feels like more durable and sturdy, like versus like these like freaking, these feel more like tight, you know what I'm saying? And they sharper, like, ooh. Yeah, and then I like the freaking panel. Yeah, we're gonna see how these things work, and hopefully they're solid. So let's get to the install. Mess again. honestly, you should be good to go. Okay, I want you guys to hit that sub button, you know, for me if this video is helpful for you guys. Some other content that's on my channel, other content is gonna come. Turn on the post notifications so you guys know when the video dropping, because the channel is gonna be about how-tos, you know, modifications to different cars, you know what I'm saying? You guys seen in my last video. And basically other people's builds, you know what I'm saying? And like different modified cars and how-tos on other different cars that I don't even know. So I appreciate you guys hit that sub button and like it, you know what I'm saying? Share with your friends that, you know what I'm saying, if this is helpful to the you or them. And stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thank you guys. Alright. Okay, you guys want to make sure that the fans are operating correctly. So we start the vehicle, just like you'll see that they're off, right? Because obviously because it's raining out here. But if I go over here and hit the auto button to turn on basically my heater, and basically the fans come on, and they're blowing way harder than those were, because those weren't even blowing. Those are only blowing, I guess, once it tries to like its overheating point. So that's how you know these are good operating conditions. And so we're gonna try AC right now. See if they go up to an even higher speed. Because as of right now, they're in there doing their job, both of them. It's like how the Infiniti is in the Nissan. They're freaking like auto whatever this, so you know AC button, it just automatically adjusts or whatever. And they're still over here putting in work. They're still over here putting in work. See, look at that. Gotta worry about nothing now. Yes, we fixed it.